Hello, everyone. Oh, darn it. Sorry. Yo, is this the closet, bro? Just kidding, lol. Yeah, this is not the closet. This is my bedroom, so, uh, we haven't gone to the gulag yet. I'm sorry. CS6 doesn't care about anything. Just fantastic. Party at Gabe's pantry. Oh my god. It's his pantry. He denied it last stream that it was a closet. It isn't my pantry. What you talking about, bruh? What you talking about? I mean, I would show you my room, but like it's kind of like messy at the moment. Like I'd have to tidy it up a little bit for you guys to be like, "Oh, this is GT Railfan's room." Like, "Oh my gosh." Stuff is still down there, but aside from that, I mean, I had it. It's just like I think it's cool. It's just super big.
That's what she said.
Show us the room, bruh. Yes, let's see. Start a cheer. Uh-oh. Like, you have to see my room. I mean, I don't really... I'm not, like, I don't know. Alright, I'm looking at your comments now. Room. Oh my goodness. Fine. I'm gonna show you, like, the one side of my room. Yeah, I'm only gonna show you guys really the only, like, interesting stuff about my room, I guess. I mean, there's really no purpose of me, showing other parts of my room. Yeah, this is my shelf. I mean, there's my Amtrak 822 and my Savia disabled Walkman NDP 765. I don't like to talk about how to do it because there's so many stuff on it, so... I got the 590 full of 800, so I'm not gonna let it off right now, but, you'll probably see a review eventually down the road. This is my gestures, these are molds for my teeth, rotation stuff, so, please excuse me, I don't know if that was in my house. Here's a couple, this is a master lock, here's what I say this, so yeah. Nothing interesting about that. Here's some easy dragons list. Those boxes. Here's my monitoring stuff. This is the signal that stood. You seriously want to see the bed? Look at that. There's my jacket because I walked my dog before I did it. Anything. So, actually, you know what? I'll pull the phone out of the thing, and you guys can see up here. Y'all went to the gulag. Just fantastic.